I Have Only Just a Minute by Dr. Benjamin E. Mays. I have only just a minute, only 60 seconds in it. Forced upon me, can't refuse it. Didn't seek it, didn't choose it. But it's up to me to use it. I must suffer if I lose it, give account if I abuse it. Just a tiny little minute, but eternity is in it. I Have Only Just a Minute by Dr. Benjamin E. Mays. Gullah translation by Daise. Me have nothing but just a minute, just 60 seconds them, they all but they in it. If it get forced upon me, I can't reject them. I ain't seek them, I ain't choose them, but it up to me for use them. I got suffer if I lose them. Have to tell the story if I abuse them. Just a teeny little minute, but eternity, they're the thing what they in it.